Yeah. Blessing the people. Attack. John know. Blessing people, giving thanks to life. So me a drinking on people. Coconut water. Name what? Parrot coconut water. You know what I mean? Really good coconut water. You know what I mean? Good for the body, good for everything. So when I store them selling at the States though. In several Caribbean countries, you can just check them out and buy them. They are very good. Parrot coconut water. See it, people? Check it out. Say look on them. Very good coconut water with pulps tonight too. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, my people. There, you what me I say now? You're fresh now, man. You what go on now? Wow, people, me I go come talk now. And me no want nobody come tell me say NEWLINK. Every day I come talk about people dead. People being dying, people being killed. And what we are gonna do? Stay dumb, stay silent. When you see people life being taken away, people. What the people are gonna say, yo, NEWLINK you talk about killing. Wonder if you know say if NEWLINK for talk about killing every day in Jamaica. I'm just gonna be on the internet all day, 24 hours without sleep, without drink, without eat, without do nothing else but just talk about people being killed. That's how often people been killing now in people been killed now in Jamaica. It's serious. It's serious. This is not joke thing now. See? And me as a yardie, me as a Jamaican, I have my beautiful Jamaican people them done the way me love and cherish so much. How you think me feeling of myself? Me care about them so much, you know, people. When me have to look back, me have to think and say, yo, one day tomorrow me go yes, say all of my brother them kill. One day me go yes, say my cousin them kill. One day for my friend, or one day for somebody who, you know what I mean? Was anybody, I could even know you. Me never ever see in a life before. But me feel the pain with plenty Jamaican I go through right now, people. It's not a good look. Zin? Plenty Jamaican right now I got through. Them now got through nothing nice now, people. Zin? Because me tell us the crime thing turn on down a yard now, people. It turn on big. See it now. Just last night now. In a St. Catherine there, Zin? A lady, she's a shopkeeper, 31-year-old. 31 of her little teenager daughter. She a walker go home, people. When residents in the community here, boom, boom. People there, wah. And then go make a look now. Who them find dead? The 31-year-old woman. Gunshot wounds to her body. Dead. Zin? Police are doing their investigation. No motive has been led to the killing. Nobody know who did the killing now. Check it out. In a St. Catherine now yesterday. No, in a Kingston, St. Andrew. 3 persons get gunshot. One dead, 2 the hospital. Down in Westmoreland, man get gunshot dead. Down in Mobile, yesterday, them find a body. Wash up on the beach down the fisherman a fish and find one body. When them check out the body, what them find? A female. Zin? Her head smashing. Dead. Eh? Me never can go in so much when me are telling the people. These are not joke thing, you know. Them are serious thing, you know. Talk about man who a kill. Yo, I don't know what to say, man. Me know killing the everywhere, people. Yes, in everywhere. Yeah. But look at a rate like this. This is Jamaica we talking about, man. This is Jamaica. This is our beautiful Jamaica, man. This is our paradise country. This is our beautiful country. What we have done to our falls. What we have Upper Portland, the Reach Falls, and now Negril there. We have all of them places and Mobile, all over Westmoreland. We have so much beautiful place where how much people are foreign, are cherish, how can't wait to come. Them are watch Jamaica want to come and why we destroy our beautiful country like that, yo. Why we can't just, you know what I mean? Why people have to mix up themselves in a corruption where them build enemy against people and make people have to kill them? Yeah, that's the truth. Why people have to do things against people and set themselves in a situation to build hatred against people and build up the heart of man to get so grievance and kill them. See? Because a lot of people been killed because they mess with people heart, and NEWLINK telling you, who no stop mess with people heart, man. Who don't stop it? Yes, me know them not get no authority and no right to kill nobody. But if people sometimes, you know, people not trouble people not trouble them. It's real thing. Zane, why? Attack nothing. Attack NEWLINK. Zane, people. Zane, enough people out there. Them a mess with people heart. Them a trouble people heart. Zane, them give people work on. Yo, some people, then give, yo, talk about this one. A brother now, Where them find dead in a center there? One place up there in Steer Town, see? On a construction site with gunshot wounds. Nobody knows why they kill. Nobody knows. But who knows? Why could that be? Eh? Maybe he's a supervisor, maybe he's a boss, and when the next one they get for you, what? Nobody don't know. Zin, I'm just saying, right? Look at it. Plenty time. People been doing things to people, and them feel like say, yo, they can't do things, and people not, and everybody have the same heart. Me NEWLINK, me not go kill you, but there's the next man out there who name Stink, and him a go kill you. Zin, Link not kill, but Stink a go kill. As I go, and Blink we kill, and Chink we kill, and Wink we kill, and Think, just to tell you how I go, but Link not kill. Do you know what I mean, people? A real thing. Zin, hear me I say, yo. Hear me I say. People need to think about them life more. And think about what they do to others. Zin, think about them family. Think about them loved ones. And stop mess up things. Because it ain't a good look. Me gone, look out for part 2.